This is Streamlined News for Tuesday, June 12, 2012, brought to you by SwimOutlet.com, the web's most popular swim shop. Alexander Dale Oen's autopsy results were released earlier today in a press conference in Norway, and doctors revealed that it was a blood clot in one of the coronary arteries that brought on the world champion's heart attack April 30th at a high-altitude training camp in Flagstaff, Arizona. At the press conference, the chief cardiologist in the autopsy said Dale Oen had no major risk factors for the blood clot, other than increased cholesterol levels. The cardiologist also implied that the symptoms of the blood clot should have been caught sooner, as there were signs of changes in Dale Oen's heart muscle 1 to 2 months before his passing. You can read more about the findings at swimmingworld.com. Paul Lundgren jumped into the Sea of Cortez on Monday morning, attempting a solo swim that would take him about 76 miles across the Gulf of California. Earlier today, however, crew members pulled Lundgren out of the water due to high swells and difficult tides that was pulling Lundgren off course. Lundgren had been joined in the swim briefly by Jamie Patrick, who successfully swam about 111 miles down the Sacramento River last year. Lundgren was aiming to complete the longest unaided open water swim in history. That's going to do it for Streamlined News today. Thanks for watching.